These stirrers are produced through the 3D printing of whey pastes and subsequent carbonization, offering multiple design possibilities. Their blades contain voids comprising up to 50% of their volume, measuring approximately 200 by 500 microns, enabling the circulation of agitated fluid through them. Furthermore, the carbon constituting these stirrers possesses hierarchical porosity, featuring pores of up to 30 microns and a BET surface area of up to 1,000 square meters per gram, facilitating the effective dispersion of the catalyst. Despite this, the stirrers demonstrate robust mechanical properties, enabling them to endure the most severe agitation conditions without degradation. Illustrating this, torque testing on a 3-blade porous carbon stirrer indicated a maximum torque of 19.75 newtons per centimeter.